See how to create a website for www.vijay.com. For this purpose, the first step what you can do, configure DNS for vijay.com, and step 2, create a folder. So example the Vijay folder, and a Vijay folder create a file name is called as a index.html file. The next step, configure the Apache server. So these steps we can see practically now. So the step 1, now we can configure DNS for www.vijay.com. So to configure DNS, so the first step I'll find out IP address of the PC. So the IP address you can see the ifconfig eth0. So it has the IP address is 192.168.5.100 is there. This is IP address. So to configure DNS, so we'll go for the file name gedit for DNS. So under etc folder, name.rfc rfc1912.zone files. Hello. So in this already I have created a zone file for the xyz.com, abc.com like this way. So just to select any one of the zone name from zone 2 up to semicolon. So I copy this one.
So if all are same.
Yes, all are same.
Why created so many?
So then next step what you can do means, now you can say paste it in the bottom. So in the place of the xyz.com, so vijay.com, and the file name example I'm providing as a viz.per. Now this is a file name we have to create under the where this file name should be located which place. So this is the file name we have to create under folder name under where folder. Under where folder, under named folder, under chroot, under where named folder, we have to create a file name is called as a which.per file. We have to create it. So this I am saving now. Say close it.
That notepad can be set by
VA command also we can do it.
no, but in gedit. By
Gedit
gedit only we are pressing save.
just simply save.
Yeah.
Just like a gedit command is nothing but a notepad. Okay. The next point, now go to the under where directory and go to name directory and go to chroot directory and where and name directory. And this already we got some files will be there for gayatri.per. The similar format I require the file name for the vijay.com. So better way cp -p and g.per and space viz. What is the file name I given? Viz.per. Now open this file name vi viz.per. So wherever the gayatricompute.com is there you can change it as a vijay.com. So vijay.com. So here also you can change it as a vijay.com. Yes. And same. And the rest of the things you can say the name server will be same thing. NS means the name server, and my line is PC1, IP address will be same, and alias names will be same. Just simply say save this file name, and the name of the service for the DNS named, and see the status of the DNS is already started. So better thing you can go for the restart.
The file g.4
Is already created. G.file already created for Gayatri.com. So now test this one, ping space www.vijay.com. To copy the file with permissions also. So we got the reply. Say Control C. The next step, what you can do, mkdir, just I am creating a directory name is called as Vijay, and now I am going to Vijay directory and create a file name vi index.html file. In Windows, default.html. Here the default file name is the index.html. You have to create it. So I am creating a sample HTML file here, HTML, and h1 and some body busy color, something you can see the orange. So welcome to Vijay.com website, and now save this file. The step 2 is over. The third step, we have to configure the Apache server. For Apache server, the configuration file under etc folder, httpd, and this one conf folder and httpd.config file. Yes, by default Apache server configuration file. So like this, there are so many lines in this will be there. So come to last line. So actually this example will be there, sample. Just copy it and paste it. It is already configured. So simply what it means, now select already configured one, say copy and paste. So wherever you got the GayatriComputer.com is there, what the site name is required, Vijay.com. So this you can change it here. And the document root means where your file is located. My index.html file is located under the Vijay folder. The Vijay folder under root. And the server name. Yes. Document root you can set by default where www. So just save it, not necessarily go for other things. Save it and say close, and the service HTTPD, either you can say restart if the status is already started, is already running. So a better one, restart means it's stopping the service and starting the service. Better way, reload. Reload means without stopping the services to update the services. What the things you modified, only those modifications going to update it. So next to open the web browser, and type the site name, you can say Vijay.com. Okay. DNS names. Even Vijay.com is automatically pinging to which one? Server name Vijay.com. That indicates if you ping into Vijay.com, it is going to which IP address? 5.10. 192.168.5.10 only. So 5.10 is mapped into the same server.
Sir, multiple websites with only one